Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Masterclass. And today we're having a classic bit of smooth jazz for you. It's the lovely sound of Norah Jones and Don't Know Why. Okay, so let's get straight on with this one. I'm going to give you the chords with screenshots right now. So we are going to need an A major. We are going to need an A major 7. We are going to need an A7. We are going to need a D. We are going to need a D minor 7. We are going to need an F sharp minor. We are going to need a B7. And we are going to need an E major as well as an E7. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those chords give you any problems, just try freezing the screenshot and just try practicing slowly one from the other. But assume you're good to go, let's crack straight on. The chords will come up on the screen. And just to say, the beautiful Norah Jones version will be exactly what we're going to play, but you would need a capo on the first fret for the Norah Jones version. Capo on the first fret for the Norah Jones version. Okay, but let's just go straight on. So get ready with the intro section. So get ready with the A major 7, and here we go. So 3, 4. A major 7 to A7, D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, E. Let's just try that one more time. A major 7 to A7, D to D minor 7, F sharp, B7, E. That's the verse, I'm trying to hum it. Major 7 to A7, D and D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Again. Major 7 to A7, D and D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, D and A. F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Verse again. Major 7 to A7, D and D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Again. Major 7 to A7, D and D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Repeat. F sharp minor, B7, D and A. To the bridge. F sharp minor, B7, and then E to E7. Again. F sharp minor, B7, and then E to E7. Back to verse. Major 7 to A7, D and D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Again. Major 7 to A7, D and D minor 7, F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Again. F sharp minor, B7, D and A. Okay. F sharp minor to B7, D and A. Okay, and just to say, the little guitar instrumentally bit on that one would be over the intro chords we did right at the beginning. Okay, enjoy it, get the vocals sorted out, it will sound fantastic, sounds great on an acoustic guitar, that one. But all the best, please like and subscribe if you enjoy the lessons, and see you again soon for more easy-ish guitar lessons with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you, goodbye.